Hi guys, it's your girl Yammi and we're back and we're gonna go try someplace new. It's called Sunday's Grill and they serve British fish and chips, so we're gonna go try it out. Boo was talking about that fish up there, talking about that fish is a hot fish. I said, well, if you look at it, those are chips, those are french fries. Here we are. We're gonna go in here, but look at it. Oh, it takes no cash, debit and credit cards only. Alright, and they say they are the best fish and chips on TripAdvisor. And it looks like a phone booth.
Okay, well let's go ahead and make a phone call.
I'm hungry. Hi, oh look at who we have here. Hello. Okay, here's the menu. The small Ben and big Ben. I'm gonna go for the small Ben. 8 ounces of fish enough for me.
How about this homemade beef and onion pie? Short crust pie soup without hand.
Boo's thinking about getting the bangers. Sausage and chips. This chicken.
Yeah, I mean, I really don't.
Yeah, those were mushy peas.
Y'all good work?
Yeah. Alright, I got Boo out of his comfort zone, I think. We ordered the bangers and mash for him. It has a onion gravy on it, which is a brown gravy, so I think he'll like that. So, she said the sausage is not spicy, it's pork and beef. So, we're gonna give it a try and see. I'm proud of you, Boo. Oh, wait a minute, you gotta see what he just did when I said that. I'm proud of you, Boo. He getting down to this music. I hope it's not too loud on here.
I just realized too.
Very cute little cafe here. The bathroom is funny. It's paid 10 cents for the toilet. But it looks like they probably do like karaoke at night and stuff like that too here. What do you think, Boo? Karaoke?
Yeah.
That's what that looks like it would be for karaoke. Because it's not a booth or anything, it's just chairs up there. And then we were noticing the license plates right here. It's spray painted with the American flag, and then there's the British flag there. But we're sitting right by Ohio, so Boo said this is Boo's meant to be spot because it's by the Ohio one. And they do have a beer here, pub, so if there's something you want, they have it. This is cool. Alright, she's over here making these. That's what she's making, these little things. Oh, it's a turtle. That is cute. It's adorable. And then there's little baby hats here. But it's cute. This is cute right here. So there's all kinds of decorations in here. It is a very cute place. It smells good too. There was a board up there with specials on it, and it said the small Ben is $11.99 until 5 o'clock every day. So we got it in $11.99, not $13.99. Alright, there's the bangers and mash. Mash is under there somewhere. And this is the fish, and I ordered a side of slaw. The fish is very tasty. The fries are fried. Coleslaw's not bad. But Boo's banger and mash, that's mash, that's banging.
Get you right. This is good. I think you said this was beef and
Pork.
Yeah. It almost kind of reminds me of a breakfast sausage in a way.
That's what I kind of thought I had gotten a taste of.
But you don't need to put, probably don't even have to put salt on here. But definitely not pepper.
They put pepper on it.
Yeah. Onions.
Coleslaw's good. I mean, the
Is it?
tartar sauce, but I need more. Yes. It was really good. Good. Sorry. Give me a It was very good. What do you think? We'll come back. Shepherd pie might be good. And the other
Shepherd
meat pie. That meat pie that you put on there.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Squeeze me.
Oh, Barbara. It was so good. And what country is it? It's a disgrace not to bid.
Oh, I don't know. I would imagine it's probably everywhere.
The French, they like it when you burp after they eat.
Yeah.
I don't know. You guys remember that? Does anybody else know that, or is that something I just knew? I don't know how I knew it, but
That's why I was always burping in school at the cafeteria. Let the lunch lady know that I appreciated those tater tots, that volcanic pizza that used to be in the...
little rectangle shaped pizza.
Oh my goodness.
There is a company out there that you can send away for those pizzas from school.
Really?
Yep, and things that Tyler had at school, like those cheese sticks and stuff, not the mozzarella sticks, but the cheese sticks. You could get those in there and everything else, and they come shipped to your house. It's comes in a cold pack and then frozen. So
Well,
I have to look that company up and see what we can
you
find.
can, because if I shipped away for some potato chips.
You shipped for some pizza too.
But
I'll
remember,
have to check that out.
remember the burgers? They used to come. Remember they used to be like in that aluminum foil. So it would come. It would be burger patty be down there, but then it would be melted in that cheese. I think that was the way they prepared it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was good food.
School lunches were good back in the day.
I might go back to school.
It's not the same anymore.
I got some eligibility left for school.
Eligibility left. Okay. So we definitely recommend Sunday's Grill. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. We definitely recommend this. So, oh, Tracy, maybe when you guys come over, if you want to check it out, we'll come together again. We'd like to come.
I can go for some more bangers and mash. It was good.
I can go for more
My
fish.
first time. Yeah, that fish was huge.
The little band was 8 ounces of fish. So, it was good. The other one is 16 ounces, so that would be 2 pieces of fish. Just one. So, we recommend it. Check it out. I'll leave the information on how to find the location and the website down below. Alright guys, thank you for being here, and we love you all. Bye.